Good morning, children. So in the previous class we have completed exercise 2.2 first problem, second, third also we have completed. And next fourth question, see children. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. So what are consecutive numbers now? The numbers that will come one after the other that are called consecutive numbers. Suppose 1. What is the next number? 1 after number? 2. Next 3. Next 4. 5. So these are all consecutive numbers. But here what is given? Sum of two consecutive odd numbers. That means odd numbers. So first number is 1. Next consecutive odd number is 3. 5, 7, 9, sorry 9 is not there, 11, 13, like that. These are all consecutive odd numbers. These are all consecutive odd numbers. Okay. So how to write the equation? Right. Given sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. So what is given? Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. What are those consecutive odd numbers? We don't know. So you have to find those two consecutive odd numbers. Okay. So let the two consecutive odd numbers are, we don't know that numbers now, so that's why I am taking x plus 2. X and x plus 2. Why I am taking x and x plus 2? If you take x is equal to 1, what is the next odd number? X plus 2 will take 1 plus 2, how much? 3. So that's why I am taking x and x plus 2. So if you take 1, 1 is an odd number. Next you should take x plus 2, that means 1 plus 2, how much? 3. That's why I am taking x and x plus 2. So by the problem, what is the problem given here? Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers. That means you should add these two. We will get this one answer. So you should add x plus 2 equal to 56. Okay. Now x plus x, 2x plus 2 equal to 56. 2x is equal to 56. Here plus 2 is the transpose to right hand side. What will become? Minus 2. So 2x is equal to 56 minus 2, how much? 54. So x is equal to, here 2 is multiplied by x. So if you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Divide. So 54 by 2. How many times? 2 2's 4. 1 is remaining, 14. 2 7's 14. So therefore x is equal to how much? 27. So one consecutive number is 27 and another consecutive number x plus 2. X plus 2, how much? 27 plus 2, how much? 29. So 27 and 29. Okay, ma'am. Right. So here I have the statement. Therefore, the two consecutive odd numbers are 27 and 29. Right. Next question, see children. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Find these multiples. What are those sum of three consecutive multiples of 7? You should find it. So consecutive means what I told. The number which comes next after the number will get the consecutive number. So here what is this? Multiples of 7. So if you take x plus 7, what is the next number? X plus 7. 7 plus 7 how much? 14. Again x plus 14 how much? 7 plus 14? 28. Like that you should take. So x plus 7, x plus 14. 7 multiples, these are all. Okay. So what is given? Given the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7 are, what are those numbers given? 7 is 777. Let the 3 consecutive multiples of 7 are, what are those? X plus 7, x plus 14. These are all 7 multiples. Okay. So by the problem, what is the problem? Given sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7. So you should add all the 3 multiples. That means x plus 7 plus x plus 14 equal to, what is the answer? 777. Now add x plus x plus x. How much? 3x. 7 plus 14. How much? 7 plus 14, 21 equal to 777. Now 3x is equal to 777 plus 21 is the transpose to here. What will become? Minus 21. So 3x is equal to 7 minus 1, 6, 7 minus 2, 5, 7. 756. X equal to 756 by 3. Cancellation do. 3 to 6. 1 is remaining. 15. 3 5 15. 3 to 6. So therefore x is equal to how much? 252. What is the x value? 252. Next x plus 7, x plus 14 you have to find. X plus 7 equal to 252 plus 7. How much? 7 plus 2. 259. Next x plus 14. 252 plus 14. How much? 266. Okay, ma. So therefore, the 3 consecutive multiples of 7 are, what are those? First one is 252. Second number 259. Next number 266. Okay, ma? Right. See the sixth question, children. A man walks 10 kilometers, then travels a certain distance by train and then by bus as far as twice by the train. If the whole journey is of 70 kilometers, how far did he travel by train? So here, whole journey is 70 kilometers is there. In that 70 kilometers, man walks 10 kilometers. And remaining kilometers he traveled by train and by bus also. Okay. He traveled by walk 10 kilometers and remaining kilometers he traveled by bus and train. Here you have to find the travel by train. How far did he travel by train? You have to find. Here one hint is given. See, children. He traveled distance by train and then by bus as far as twice by the train. So as far as twice by the train. So train we don't know. So that's why we are taking x. And twice by the train means yes 2x. By bus is 2x. So first given whole journey is of 70 kilometers. Whole journey is of 70 kilometers. A man walks distance traveled by walk. How much? 10 kilometers. Okay, next let the distance traveled by train. The distance traveled by train equal to x. We don't know how much distance he traveled by train. That's why we are taking x. Okay. And the distance traveled by bus equal to what is given twice of by the train. Twice by the train. That means 2 times 2x. Twice means 2 times 2x. Now by the problem, so I had to add all. First by train, how much? X plus by bus 2x plus by walk 10 is equal to total journey 70 kilometers. Okay. Now add x plus 2x, how much? 3x plus 10 equal to 70. So 3x is equal to 70. Here plus 10 transpose to right hand side. What will become? Minus 10. So 3x is equal to 70 minus 10, how much? 60. X is equal to 60 by 3. How many times? 20 times. So therefore x is equal to how much? 20 kilometers. What is x? By train. Okay. So therefore distance traveled by train equal to 20 kilometers. They asked distance traveled by train only now. So how many kilometers? 20 kilometers. Okay, right. See the next question. Vinay bought a pizza and cut it into 3 pieces. When he weighed the first piece, he found that it was 7 grams lighter than the second piece and 4 grams heavier than the third piece. If the whole pizza weighed 300 grams, how much did each of the 3 pieces weigh? So Vinay bought a pizza and he cut it into 3 pieces. Okay. So he weighed the first piece. That first piece weight is 7 grams lighter than the second piece and 4 grams heavier than the third piece. So what is the total whole pizza weight? 300 grams. So how to find? Given whole pizza weight 300 grams. Let we don't know how much weight first piece, second piece, third piece. Okay, let the first piece be x grams. Okay, first piece will be x grams. The second piece, what is the second piece weight? First piece is lighter than the 7 grams. 7 grams lighter than the second piece. Lighter than the second piece means, so it is x plus 7. So second piece means 7 grams heavier than the first piece. That's why 7x plus 7 grams. Next, the third piece. Third piece is, first piece is 4 grams heavier than the third piece. That means it is 4 grams lighter. Third piece is 4 grams lighter than the third piece. So x minus 4 grams. Okay, did you understand? We don't know the first piece. So that's why we are taking x grams. And the second piece is, first piece is 7 grams lighter than the second piece. That means it is 7 grams heavier than the first piece. That's why x plus 7 grams. And third piece is 4 grams lighter than the first piece. That's why x minus 4 grams. Okay. Now by the problem, add all this x plus 7 plus x minus 4 equal to total by how much? 300 grams. Now add x plus x, 3x, 7 minus 4, how much? 3, equal to 300. So 3x is equal to 300. Here plus 3 is the transpose to here. What will become? Minus 3. So 3x equal to 300 minus 3, how much now? 297. So x is equal to 297 by 3. Cancellation do. 3 9s 27. Okay, 2 is remaining, 27 again. 9s 27. So therefore x is equal to how much? 99 grams. X is equal to 99 grams. What is x? First piece. So therefore first piece x is equal to 99 grams. And second piece how much? X plus 7. So 99 plus 7, how much? 99 plus 7, 9 plus 7, 16, 106 grams. Third piece how much? X minus 4, 99 minus 4. 99 minus 4, how much? 9 minus 4, 95 grams. Okay. That is the, if you add all the 399 plus 106 plus 95, we will get 300 grams. Okay, right.